Or the third one is to think about a very sticky song. Some people use a happy birthday song. Some people find another one, an anthem, to just repeat it in your mind, to be able to focus your attention on that thought and not in the automatic negative thoughts or catastrophic thinking or what if that sometimes we start getting into that keep us off task with our attention hijacked, and that can fuel states of worry or anxiety or fear or nervousness. So, tuning into your stress response, knowing how to hack it through breath work, understanding that your thoughts determine how you feel, which determines what you do, using in-the-moment intervention strategies like the 5 senses exercise or thought shifting, and establishing a practice of mindfulness meditation that can help you train your mind and really learn the language of your body when you're not performing, so that you can be more aware or perceiving, more attentive when you are performing.